Yeah, here is question number 21. The diagram shows an equilateral triangle and a circle. The equilateral triangle, so length is given is a 5r and the circle has the radius is r. The area of the shaded region also is given. We need to find the value of r. So here shaded region, area of the shaded region is area of the triangle minus area of the circle. So area of the triangle, so we know all the side is like 5r because equilateral triangle, so the angle is 60. Each angle is going to be 60, 60, 60. So we are using the formula area of the triangle half AB sine C. So half AB sine C is the area of the triangle. So half into, so sides are 5r into 5r sine the angle is 60 minus area of the circle, which is pi r square. R is here r only, so we'll write r square. Then the area is given, which is 610 pi. So here we need to find out r. So 610 pi equal to 1 by 2 pi times pi, which is 25 r square into sine 60 minus pi r square. So 610 pi equal to 25 and 2 I'll divide, it will make it 12.5 r square sine 60 minus pi r square. So I'll bring r square outside, which is 12.5 sine 60 minus pi. So next 610 pi over 12.5 sine 60 minus pi equal to r square. So the next step, r equal to square root of 610 pi over 12.5 sine 60 minus pi. So r equal to, we'll get 15.7926. so the answer, we have to give 3 significant figure, which is 15.8. so the final answer is 15.8. Next, question number 22. So here is a quadratic is given, so we can write in the form of this. So we need to find the value of q. So 9x square minus 12x plus q equal to, we have to expand the right side, so px, so we can write px minus r whole square. So we can write in the form, so I'll expand the right side, px minus r times px minus r, so which is p square x square minus pxr minus pxr minus r square, sorry, plus r square. So which is p square x square minus 2prx plus r square. So left side is going to be 9x square minus 12x plus q. So we can compare both the sides. So we'll get the coefficient, we'll compare x square coefficient. So p square equal to 9. Then minus 12 equal to minus 2p, that's the x coefficient. Then r square equal to q. So we need to find q. So p square equal to 9. So p equal to square root of 9, which is 3. So we got p value, sorry, this is 2pr. Okay, so here both the side is negative, so we can ignore that. 12 equal to 2 into p, already we got 3r. So 12 over 6 equal to r. So r equal to 2. So p equal to r. So this r value we plug in here. So 2 square equal to q. So 4 equal to q. So we need to find the q. So q equal to 4. The next question, question number 23. There are 15 buttons in a box. 3 are red and 2 buttons are pink and blue is 10. So P takes random 3 buttons from the box. Work out the probability that there is still at least one pink button in the box. At least, so it can be 1 or it can be 2, both can be left. So I'm taking the reverse way. So 1, because there is lot of probability 3 buttons, so it can be red, 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 it can be red, pink, blue, okay, it can be blue, blue, blue. So there is a lot of things, so I'll take the opposite way. 1 minus, I'm taking all the pink out. So probability of pink, pink, red, or probability of I'm taking pink, pink, blue. So I'm taking all the pink out, so that's a reverse way. 1 minus, so 1 minus, this is 3 possibles here, pink, pink, red, so 3 times, so total bracket is 1 minus the entire thing. For this one 3, first you are taking pink, which is going to be 2 over 15, there are 15 buttons, and second pink, now already 1 we took, so 1 is left, so which is 1 over 14 times, now red is going to be 3 over 13. Okay, then this bracket close, then r is plus, again 3 possibles are there, pink, pink, blue, so which is again pink is 2 over 15 and second pink is going to be 1 over 14, then next blue there are 10, so 10 over 13. So 1 minus 3 times, so multiply, will get 6 over 2730. Same thing, plus 3 into 20 over 2730. So 1 minus 18 over 2730 plus 60 over 2730, which is 1 minus 78 over 2730. So when we calculate, we'll get 34 over 35. The final answer going to be 34 over 35. Next question number 24. X plus 5, so it's completing the square, so 5x square minus 20x plus 23. The first term is 5 is their coefficient, bring it out, so x square minus 4x plus 23, so 5 into, so x here make it half, so minus 2 whole square, so minus 2 square plus 23, so 5 into x minus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 23, bring 5 inside, 5 into x minus 2 whole square minus 20 plus 23, which is 5 into x minus 2 whole square plus 3. That's the answer, 5 into x minus 2 whole square plus 3. So A, B, C all are integers, so no fraction. Okay, the next one, question number 25. Here a and x is given, so a in the form of n plus ny p into y minus, in terms of y there is no x. Okay, so a equal to, the given is 2x plus 5 over 1 minus x. Instead of x we will substitute the second part, so 2 into 5 minus 2y over 3y minus 2y, plus 5 over 1 minus 5 minus 2y over 3y. So expand and simplify, so numerator will get 10 minus 4y over 3y plus 5. The denominator is going to be 1 minus is common here, so 1 minus 5 plus 2y over 3y. So the next step, the numerator is taking LCM, 10 minus 4y plus 15y over 3y. The denominator also I'll take LCM. So 3y minus 5 plus 2y over 3y. So the next step we can write, so 10 minus 4y plus 15y is 10 plus 11y over 3 over here 3y 5y minus 5 over 3y. Sorry, here is y. Now this one we'll write in the reciprocal, 10 plus 11y over 3y times 3y over 5y minus 5. 3y got cancelled. The left will be 10 plus 11y over 5y minus 5. So we have to leave the answer m plus n over p. So we need to bring the denominator something common. So 10 plus 11y over 5 into y minus 1. So that's the final answer. We can leave m, n, p are integers, m plus ny over p into, okay. So the final answer is 10 plus 11y over 5 into y minus 1. You can see in the form of m plus ny over p into y minus 1. Okay, next question number 26. Here is a 3D figure. So here we need to, so AB and FG are equal, so it's a rectangle in the down. Okay, so its length is 20 and the angle is 90 degree. Okay, so M is the point FE. FM equal to 3/5 of FE is given. So given that GMF is 60, GMF, it is 60 here. Also this height we know, which is 18, so we need to find the FE. So first I'll find FM. So I'll take, we want opposite over adjacent, turn 60 equal to 18 over FM. In triangle GFM, first in triangle GFM, tan 60 equal to FM over FG. FG over FM. So here which one is given? FG already we know, which is 18. Here is 18 because this height is going to be 18 AB, so FG also the same, which is 18. So tan 60 equal to 18 over FM. So I'll bring FM here. FM equal to 18 over tan 60. So FM equal to, so we'll get 6 or root 3. This is one of the solutions. So FM we got. So the question is given, FM equal to 3/5 of FE. So from here we can find the FE. So 5/3 of FM equal to FE. So FM already we know. So 5/3 of 6 root 3 equal to FE. So which is, this is going to be 2. So 10 root 3 equal to FE. So we got the FE length also, which is 10 root 3. So this entire length is 10 root 3. So here also is 10 root 3. Okay, now we need to find, calculate the angle of elevation of G from D. So I'll clear the screen. So we need to draw a line here to here and here to here. We need to find this angle. Okay, so I'll draw the triangle here. Triangle. This is going to be FG. FG. This is going to be D. FG and D. So we know FG and we need to find FD now. FG is 18. So we need to find this angle. We need FD. FD we can find because here in triangle FDE. In triangle FDE, so we are using Pythagoras. FD equal to 20 square plus 10 root 3 square. FD square equal to 20 square plus 10 root 3 whole square. So FD equal to square root of 20 square plus 10 root 3 whole square, which is equal to 10 root 7. So FD equal to, we got 10 root 7. Now we can find the D. So we'll use tan again. So tan angle D equal to opposite over adjacent 10 root 7. So angle D equal to tan inverse of 18 over 10 root 7, which is 34.2288, but the question says 1 decimal place, so the answer is 34.2. 34.2 is the answer here. Next, question number 28. ABCD is a rhombus. So I'll draw a rhombus. Rhombus is like all sides are equal. So A, B, C, D. A coordinate 16, -9, and C coordinate is 24, 15. So we know rhombus, the diagonals 90 degree also, and DB the line by bisect by AC. So this both are equal. We'll take the other way around. So here and here both are equal. So here and here both are equal. Anyway, the other figure also is right. So A, B, C, D. Okay, so they bisect. Here also is 90 degrees. So A is 16, -9, and C is 24, 15. So as we know AC, so we'll find the gradient of AC. So we need to find the BD equation. So first we go for gradient of AC. So I'll take as m equal to change of y. Change of y is 15, y2 minus y1 minus 9 over here 24 over 16, which is 24 over 8, so equal to 3. So gradient of AC equal to 3. Next I'll find the midpoint of AC. Yes, because the BD is passing through the midpoint, so midpoint is x2, x1 plus x2 by 2, which is 16 plus 24 over 2, comma y is -9 plus 15 over 2, so which is 40 over 2, 6 over 2, so it is 20 comma 3. See, we got the midpoint, the line passing through BD. We have a point also. See, is a perpendicular both the lines, though the gradient is going to be negative and reciprocal. So gradient of BD, so m equal to, so it's perpendicular, so negative reciprocal. Here already we got AC is 3, so it's become minus 1 by 3. Here is minus 1 by 3 passing through the point also. So line equation y equal to mx plus c, 1 by 3 x plus c. So plug in this point 20 comma 3 passing through point, 3 equal to minus 1 by 3 20 plus c. So 3 equal to minus 20 over 3 plus c. Okay, next you bring that 23 to the left side. 3 plus 20 over 3 equal to c. Take LCM, so 29 over 3 equal to c. So just plug in. So y equal to minus 1 by 3x plus 29 over 3. Take LCM because we need to leave the answer as ax plus by plus c equal to 0. All are integers. So minus x plus 29 over 3, bring 3 here, 3y equal to minus x plus 29. So we'll arrange all one side. So x plus 3y minus 29 equal to 0. That's the required equation of BD. X plus 3y minus 29 equal to 0. Next, question number 28. So is algebraic solving. So here the first part. So here 6x cube plus 5x square plus x. So I'll bring x outside. X is the common. So x into 6x square plus 5x plus 1 over this one. I can write 2x whole square minus 1 square. So it is division, so I'll change to multiplications upside down. So 8x minus 4 go numerator. So I'll factorize 4 into, so 2x minus 1 over here 15x square minus x minus 2 equal to 2x. Now we have to factorize the 6x square. So 6x square plus 5x plus 1. I'll factorize. Multiply time we have to get 6. Addition time we have to get 5, which is 3 and 2. So 6x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 1. So bring 3x out, which is 2x plus 1. So here is 2x plus 1. So plus 1. So 3x plus 1 into 2x plus 1. That are the factors. So here the numerator I have to write x into 3x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 over, so here a square minus b square, so 2x plus 1 into 2x minus 1 times here 4 into 2x minus 1 over here also I have to factorize now 15x square minus x minus 2. So multiply time I have to get minus 30. Addition time we have to get minus 1, which is minus 6 and 5. So 15x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 2. So bring 3x out. So 5x minus 2. So 5x minus 2. So plus 1. So 3x plus 1 into 5x minus 2. So 3x plus 1 into 5x minus 2 equal to 2x. So here we can cancel this and this, and 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1. The rest is x over 5. No, here on 4 also there. So 4x over 5x minus 2 equal to 2x. So bring cross multiply 4x equal to 2x into 5x minus 2, which is 4x equal to 10x square minus 4x. Bring all one side. So 10x square minus 8x equal to 0. Bring 2x out, which is 5x minus 4 equal to 0. So this is 0. So now we got two part. First part is either 2x equal to 0 or 5x minus 4 equal to 0. So from x equal to 0, and here 5x equal to 4, x equal to 4 over 5, x equal to 0.8. So x answer is 0 or 0.8. That's the end of the paper.